The Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 SUV is a stunning blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road, the GLC 300 offers an experience that's hard to beat. Let's take a closer look. Design and comfort. Right from the start, the GLC 300 impresses with its sleek and sophisticated design. The exterior boasts a muscular yet elegant profile, with a sculpted front end and a signature grille that commands attention. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a modern layout. Spacious and comfortable seating ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy a premium experience on every journey. Performance. Under the hood, the GLC 300 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 255 horsepower. The performance is responsive and smooth, with acceleration that feels effortless. The 9-speed automatic transmission works seamlessly, providing quick shifts and a refined driving experience. Whether you're cruising or driving on more challenging terrain, the GLC 300's all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability. Technology. Mercedes-Benz doesn't hold back when it comes to technology, and the GLC 300 is a perfect example. The SUV is equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, which features a large, responsive touchscreen, voice controls, and a customizable display. It's intuitive and user-friendly, keeping you connected to navigation, media, and vehicle settings with ease. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system are just a few of the tech features that elevate the driving experience. Safety is paramount in any Mercedes-Benz vehicle, and the GLC 300 comes packed with advanced driver assistance systems, including active brake assist, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, and Distronic adaptive cruise control. These features provide peace of mind, helping prevent accidents and making long drives much more relaxing. Verdict. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 SUV stands out in its class, offering luxury, performance, and top-notch technology in a compact and stylish package. It's an SUV that caters to those who demand sophistication without compromising on practicality. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a vehicle for weekend getaways, the GLC 300 delivers on every front. If you're in the market for a premium midsize SUV, the GLC 300 is certainly worth considering.